The origins of New Mexico's space trail began 2 millennia ago when Native Americans realized they could plan their lives around the movements in the heavens. Evidence shows the inhabitants of this rugged land could accurately predict the seasons. That bettered their chances of survival because they knew when to plant and when to harvest. Historians know this because of prehistoric structures that line up with the sun's rising and setting during the summer and winter solstices.
We do have in the Southwest quite a bit of archaeological evidence, primarily associated with the agricultural period.
New Mexico archaeologist Pete Eidenbach has helped document the secrets of early man and his early, uncannily accurate prehistoric science.
Astronomy in the New World was surprisingly sophisticated, probably more sophisticated than in the Old World. But because so much of it was retained and learned through oral tradition, we often don't have clear evidence.
As the centuries passed, New Mexicans went from looking toward the heavens to reaching the heavens. George House is the curator at the New Mexico Museum of Space History in Alamogordo.
You have the invention of the modern rocket with Robert Goddard coming out to New Mexico during Operation Paperclip, United States military, looking for a similar place to do their research with the V-2 rocket, which was the grandfather of all modern rocketry. Establishment of the Alamogordo Army Airfield later, which became Holloman Air Force Base, and subsequent missile research. A lot of the early Mercury, Gemini, and Apollo research took place at Holloman and White Sands as well. The Apollo astronauts underwent geological field training at Philmont Boy Scout Ranch, lunar rover training near the Rio Grande Gorge.
These features are unique throughout the Land of Enchantment, and many of them can still be viewed today.